everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. I'm so happy today and excited to bring you another video. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that subscribe button, like and comment. Thank you so much. Hi subbies, welcome back. And anybody new, welcome to the channel. This is Val. I'm a YouTube creator. I like to do tutorials and DIYs with jewelry. And so thank you for joining me today. All week long it has been Teacher Appreciation Week, and I'm an educator, so I'm definitely thankful for everybody that's reached out and told me thank you this week. I'm very, very appreciative. I'd like to share a few things that people have given to me. I received a thank you with the Starbucks gift card. I received a Visa gift card. I received an Amazon gift card online, you know, little notes and emails, and it's been so nice. And I got this bag. It's hard to see it, but I mean, it's got chips. I've got candy bag, you know, full of Starburst, and that's only a little bit. I've got cookies and just chocolates in there, just all kind of things that families and students gave to me, you know, thanking me for my service, and it's very nice to be appreciated. It's so wonderful. And so what I'm gonna do today is all inspired by Teacher Appreciation Week. It's Friday, and this will be the end of it, but you know what? Teachers are teachers all year round. Even in the summer when we're on break, we're just rejuvenating so we could be on our top game for the next school year. So it's always Teacher Appreciation, just like it's always a good time, you know, to have Christmas in your heart, or every day is a Mother's Day, you know, sentiments like that. So this is what this video is about, Teacher Appreciation. So we know that the apple is one of the symbols for teachers, right? So I'm gonna try some DIY apple earrings and necklace, and that's what I'm gonna do today. And this is my second upload this week. I said I was gonna do 3, and so I'll be coming to you with another one tomorrow. So I got these from, I think I got these from Hobby Lobby. There are 10 on a strand, 10 of these beads, so you could make a you know, bracelet, just about whatever you'd like to make with this. Okay, and like to fix this, I use the 1-step looper there for my loop. And I'm gonna straighten out my loop and then see what kind of earrings I can make for Teacher Appreciation. Okay, and now let's try one more. I think we'll do the earrings first. Then I had an idea for 2 different necklaces. One leather and then one on a chain. Alright. I'm gonna see what that looks like without a jump ring, and then if I need a jump ring, I'll add one. Well, let's try a jump ring and see how that changes it. These are teeny tiny jump rings, but sometimes jump rings help things to look differently, like elongated or more proportioned. So let's see if this jump ring will do anything for, you know, to enhance the look of the earring, or if it's just as good as without it. Okay, so I think on this next one, I'm gonna try to use a jump ring and see how that does. And many times jump rings will make something hang better, look a little bit more naturally hanging. So let's see, that jump ring helps enhance the look of the piece. Okay, there's a jump ring. And now I'm going to use the, close it too soon, my ear wire. And there's our earring, just one. I think I do like the look of that, of the earring with the jump ring there. So I'm going to go back and add the jump ring here on this one. Hope everybody can see. I'm trying to remember to keep my hands where you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to open this. And there's the apple. We'll see what we have. Alright, it looks like I've got a pair of earrings in honor of teachers. Teacher appreciation earrings. I think they're pretty. I believe I'll have those on the first day of school this fall. Already time to start thinking about another school year. Actually, let me back that up. Let's enjoy the summer. that time will get here soon enough. Okay, so head pin. I'm gonna use a head pin for a pendant. Try for a pretty pendant now for a necklace. So I know some people don't like the one-step looper. I kind of like it. I know how to make my loops without it. But I seem to kind of like this tool, so I'll just keep using it for now. Okay, so I'm gonna apply another jump ring. Just make a nice simple pendant to match my earrings. Alright, so there's the pendant, and then there are a couple of different things you can do. So I've got a chain. Because I think it's so pretty to make sets. I've got a stainless steel chain. And this is not, it's not a choker, but it's not terribly long either. I believe maybe 14 inches. Okay, and then it's got a little bit of like an extender there. And then there's your necklace. My little apple necklace and earrings. And the other necklace idea I had was to make a leather necklace. Okay, now with this same pendant, I have a different idea for a necklace, and that is a leather necklace. So I've got my long leather, my leather spool here. It's that dark brown leather. And so I would like to make one that way you can just wear over your head with a knot in the back. It's the simple knot in the back. I saw this at like a boutique, or like a picture from a boutique, and I thought, wow, that's pretty neat. It's just, you know, a leather necklace you can just put over your head, and then the closure is a knot. So kind of rustic, but I think I think it's cute. You can do many different charms and just all kind of different things with leather. It's one of my favorite things to work with. I think my discovery of leather has been really fun. It's fun to work with. So it needs to be long enough. So I'm gonna put it over my head here. A sec to see. Long enough to fit over your head with a knot there. So it just depends on, and especially if it's for you, how you would like to do it. Now, if you wanted to, you can use chain nose pliers and close it up with the crimp beads and use the toggle clasp and jump rings, and that will give you a nice finish to a leather necklace as well. But this is more of what I'm going for. And I just happen to have one here. How handy. This is a knot at the end, and this will go right over your head. I wore it to work yesterday with a blue shirt. Have my favorite color beads on there, blue, a little circle. And I'm pretty sure I've made this on my channel before, something similar. And so that's how I'm gonna finish this necklace tonight. And then, you know, you have the option of finishing it a different way with the crimp beads if you like to. So I'm just gonna put my necklace on through the leather, and here we go. Make a half it up, you know, half the leather up, and then I'm gonna make my knot at the top. Got my leather necklace, my leather apple necklace, and my earrings, my little set. So that's it. This is the finished product. I've got my earrings and I've got my leather cord necklace, and then you could have also used a stainless steel chain or a silver chain, or, you know, could use gold head pins, and just there's different ways you could mix and match and make this set. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed watching me make it, and if you have any other things that you'd like to see me make with maybe something I've gotten from my past haul videos, let me know. I'd be happy to try to make other things, make new things for you, you know, to put on the channel. And thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Till next time.